Class 12th, today's topic is your logic gates. A gate is a circuit which takes one or more inputs and generates an output. Logic gates use the binary operators AND or NOT. Logic gates which are as follows: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. First is NOT gate. A NOT gate, sometimes called a logical inverter gate, to differentiate it from other types of electronic inverter devices, has only one input. It reverses the logic state. The output state is a negation or complement of an input signal. Here we have the table. Operator is NOT and NOT operator has a truth table. In the NOT operator we have only one variable, so we have two columns, and in the NOT gate we have the opposite or reverse variables. So if in this row or column we have the x, the opposite is the x complement or the negation. 0 false, 1 is true. If x value is 0, the opposite or reverse is the 1. If x value is 1, the opposite or reverse is 0. This is the diagram of the logic gate. One input because we have the one variable. So x is a one input, triangle is a diagram sign, and NOT means this is a negation, complement, and output is the reverse. X input, so x complement or x negation is the output. Next is your AND gate. The AND gate is so named because if 0 is called false and 1 is called true, the output is true when both the inputs are true. Otherwise, the output is false and gate works on 2 or more inputs, but output always 1 output. This is the table of the AND operator. In the AND operator, we have two variables, x and the y. In the x and y and two variables means we have the four columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here we are using the dot operator sign. Dot operator sign reflect the mathematical multiply sign. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here we have the diagram of the AND gate and AND logic gate. Because we have two inputs, means two variables, so we have the two inputs, x and the y. And this is the candy shaped diagram of your AND gate, and output always 1, x dot y, x into y. Next point is your OR gate. The OR gate gets its name from the fact that it behaves like logical inclusive OR. The output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. The both inputs are false, then the output is false. OR gate also work on more inputs. And this table of the OR operator or logic gates. Here we have the OR operator or logic gates, and it also work on two variables, and this is the truth table of the OR logic gates. In the x and the format is the same. We have the two variables, means we have four columns. Here we are using the mathematical addition sign. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and one number is carry. This is the diagram of the OR gate. Here we have two inputs, x and the y, and diagram shape just like a rocket, and this is the output, x plus y. Next is your NOR gate. NOR gate, combination of two gates, NOT and for NOT, or for OR. So this is the combination of two gates and OR, NOT gate. The OR gate is a combination OR gate followed by an inverter. Its output is true if both the inputs are false. Otherwise, the output is false.